Friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all having a great day. And we're going to be looking at some really good curbside deals. And we got some spam in here too. So how lovely is that? We have some cheap Rimmel Cosmetics and an Axe deal for this little shower poof to improve your morning when you're showering. Okay, so the first thing I want to talk about is if you are going to, in fact, be in store, you physically have to go to the store. A lot of the food that was tagged at 50% has hit 90%. That started happening a couple days back. Unfortunately, the store around here, it's completely cleared, every last crumb. Also check frozen food, like all of the frozen food along with the coffee non-perishable aisle. Go today, which is Monday, August the 8th, and take a look at what they might have. Now, the direness of this video of when I'm like, go do this deal and go do that deal, I just want to point something out. So last week, the 3-pound bag of Epsom salt, that's a really good filler, is always $1.99 on a BOGO, 50% off. This week, it is at $4.99. So we see a $3 increase on this product. Just wanted to point that out that, that $1.99 Epsom salt, we've been talking about it a lot. Hopefully you stocked up because at $4.99, that's like a Dr. Teal's price in my book. Okay, so curbside pickup in the app or on a desktop computer, you're going to opt for this blue box where you physically drive to the store and go and get your order. That easy. And the prices are cheaper, well, except for the Epsom salt. So let's not forget that with the curbside deals, no more register rewards will print for you. If you wish to get a receipt, you physically have to go to the photo desk. Do not check in or a receipt will not print for you. So just keep that in your back pocket when doing these deals. Okay, so the first one we're going to look at is deal number 1. With the Rimmel Cosmetics, yes, you can get a whole bunch of stuff, but for a lot of us that are just like, you know what, I'll just grab 2 items and I'll call it a DAY. Let's grab 2 of these at 40% off. It's a little quad of a whole bunch of shadows. If you wanted to gift this to somebody for Christmas, this would be a really nice gift. We have these digital coupons, the $2 off, $1 off. I have another $2 coupon. I can't seem to find it, but it's loaded somewhere. And then the 4 off 2, which is at the very right-hand corner here of the photo. So just type in Rimmel, load all the digital coupons, and just looking at throwing 2 of those in a basket for $10.78, subtracting two $2 manufacturers, we have some tax, plus the 4 off 2, you're paying $3.19. You know what I would do? I would use $3 in Walgreens cash and pay 19 cents and call this a really good deal for some very inexpensive Rimmel Cosmetics. Okay, so deal number 2, we're kind of going to go crazy with the Rimmel. So we're just going to keep adding like items around that $2 mark and just keep filling up your basket till you get to that $10 point. So just keep adding lip glosses, mascaras, whatever your heart desires, whatever your store might have, whatever you can add to the basket is in stock. So as you can see, we have a huge course line of coupons. So $5 and then $12.27 of the IVC coupon, which is quite a bit. And if you really want to build up a little bit of makeup in your stockpile, this is, I think, a very smart deal. So your overall subtotal was $19.13 IVC off there. We have a bit of tax and then $5 in manufacturers. You're down to $2.27. I would use $2 in Walgreens cash and pay 27 cents and call this a day for all this different makeup. I think it's just such a great little deal. But if 2 quads is more your thing, like getting those makeup palettes or quads or whatever they are, or getting a whole bunch of like loose little small items, you are the boss. But this is a way to really stock up on makeup, this little basket. All right, the next deal that we're going to look at, number 3. We are going to have this 6 off of 2 digital loaded. If you see, guys, it's valid till the 20th. So it's valid for 2 weeks. This is a very high value coupon. You can't shake or deny that. If you look, we have a shower tool. It's basically like a little poof by Axe. We're going to look for 2 of those and then throw them into a basket. That's a really good deal. In our basket, we have 2 of those Axe shower poofs on a BOGO, 50% off for $8.23. We are short from hitting that $10 mark. So I'm going to put 2 of those cheapy Rimmel lip glosses in 2 different colors because another couponer already went to the store and started clearing everything out like crazy. $2.39, $2.39. Here's the basket, Rimmel, 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 and then that 6 off of 2 for the Axe coming off. And yes, with the Rimmel, if another couponer has really hit it hard, you might have to look into the different colors and add one here and one there. Somewhat tedious, but totally worth it. And then looking at the overall basket, it was $13.01. Subtracting that IVC, free curbside pickup, a little bit of tax in there, $9 of coupons coming off, you're paying $2.90. I would use $2 in Walgreens cash and pay 90 cents and call this a day. And let's not forget with those Axe poofs, or whatever you want to call them, shower, sponges or whatever. Photograph that to the Fetch Rewards app. You will get back extra points for that purchase, as Unilever is part of their catalog. And yeah, a little bit of magic right there. And the next deal we have for you, we're going to be grabbing 2 very inexpensive Bic Stationary products. We got a 3 off of 2, which is valid right till the 28th. So load this coupon at the very least. It's valid for a couple of weeks, and hopefully we get the $1.50 back. But if not, if you're in dire need of stationery, this might be a deal for you. And we're also going to grab one of these big mamas for $8.99, and we have a $3 digital, so that is really fantastic. And this is like 150 ounces of detergent. Our basket, we have 2 of the highlighters at $2.99 on a BOGO 50% off, so that's $4.48. And then we have $8.99, that massive, beautiful bottle of Purex. Looking at the overall basket, our total was $13.47, free curbside pickup. Oof, 18 cents in tax, $6 of manufacturers melting off right there. The total is $8.28. I personally would use $5 in Walgreens cash, pay $3.28, and laugh all the way to the bank and back. Not a bad little basket, and considering you're getting 150 fluid ounces of detergent, not the worst little deal. And the last deal that we have for you guys, number 5. We're going to load this $1 digital coupon for the Spam. Even if you like to chop this up and put it in fried rice or Spam and eggs in the morning, it is one of these items that we love to have in our stockpile, like, for food especially. So $2.49, I'm liking that. And let's pair it with my absolute and total favorite, 2 of the toilet papers, and we're going to load the IVC, which is the $1.25 off. So that's the Walgreens coupon. If you didn't use it last week, we can use it this week. So looking at our overall basket, we have 2 toilet papers for $10 and then 1 Spam for $3.49. So a nice little mix of household goods, if you like these sort of items. So as you can see, IVC was applied twice, our Spam coupon. So the total was $13.49, subtracting $2.50, free curbside pickup, and then we have another $1 manufacturer for the Spam. So the total is $10.44. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay 44 cents. Photograph that receipt to the Fetch Rewards app. You'll get back extra points for the purchase of the Scott, as it's part of their catalog, Kimberly-Clark. And I think it's just a really smart basket for some household goods. You got to use your Walgreens cash sooner or later. So I think this is just a really good use of it. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.